Hi everyone, we are Team Spontaneous and this is Nyayaflow, a AI assistant judicial complaints workflow system that helps government departments convert lengthy court judgments into verified operational action plans. The core idea is simple. Instead of manually reading hundreds of pages of legal text, officials get structured complaint tasks with deadlines, authorities and verification workflows. Let's quickly look at the problem. Today government departments receive court judgments as long PDF documents. The issue is that the important operational directives are officially buried deep inside dense legal text. So officials spend a huge amount of time reading, interpreting and forwarding and manually tracking complaints. And because there is no centralized workflow, important deadlines and responsibilities can easily get missed. So the challenge is not access to judgments. The challenge is operationalizing them. So the current workflow challenges. This is what the current workflow usually looks like. A judgment PDF comes in, someone manually reads it, tries to identify actionable directives and then communicates tasks across the departments. There is no prioritization, there is no structural verification, there is no operational tracking and very little accountability. That's exactly what Nyayaflow solves. Nyayaflow acts like a judicial operations assistant for government department. Our system understands the judgment, extracts directives, generates operational tasks, assigns responsible authorities, identifies risks and deadlines, and finally routes everything through human verification. One important thing, we are not trying to automate judicial decisions. Humans remain fully in control.
Okay, here's the high-level architecture. A PDF is uploaded to the system. We extract and pre-process the judgment text, prioritize operative legal sections, and send only the optimized content to Gemini or any LLM. The model then generates the structured compliance tasks which go through a human review console before entering the operational dashboard. Now let's look at the intelligence pipeline behind this. One challenge we discovered was that legal judgment texts are extremely long, but actionable directives are usually near the end. So instead of blindly processing the entire document, we built a prioritization pipeline. It identifies directive-heavy sections, deadlines, compliance language, coercive actions, and execution-related paragraphs. This significantly improves the quality of extracted operational tasks. Human verification. This is probably the most important part of a system. Every AI-generated task goes through a human review workflow. Officials can edit, approve, reject, or modify any extracted action before it becomes operational. Each task also includes evidence traceability, authority mapping, and verification history. So AI assists the workflow, but humans retain control. This is an operational compliance dashboard. Instead of raw legal text, officials now get executive summaries, compliance timelines, risk indicators, assigned authorities, and audit trails. The dashboard helps answer one key operational question: who needs to do what, by when, and why? Like workflow. Now let's quickly see the complete workflow in action. First, we upload a real court judgment PDF. You see what the PDF looks like for once. Let's upload the PDF. While the system processes the document, it prioritizes operative legal sections before sending optimized content to the LLM. Once processing is complete, the AI generates structured compliance.
Explain from voiceover.
Yeah. So now we are at the review page. Here officials can review evidence-linked directives at any field if needed and approve the operational task. As you can see, this is what the LLM has inferred. It is inferred 3 compliance tasks from the PDF. You can change the priorities, you can change the deadlines, and so only verified tasks move to the dashboard. Here you can write a designation. Okay, you can approve and save. Now the department can centrally track execution status, risk, authorities, deadlines, and compliance history. And the entire process takes only a few minutes. Now next slide, please.
To conclude, Nyayaflow transforms judicial compliance from manual administrative burden into a structural operational workflow. It is operational, explainable, auditable, and designed for real government workflows. We are not automating judicial decisions.